Getting a little tired of the default fonts that come with your Microsoft Word? You can add and install new fonts to inject some personality into your work. It's simple. Here's how to do it. These are the sites where you are able to download fonts. To download font, choose a font and click download here. And as you can see, the zip file is downloaded. Next, we need to extract the zip file. Delete the zip file because all we need is the extracted files. Now, go to Control Panel and click Appearance and Personalization, then Fonts. These are the fonts that are installed in your computer. Next, drag the extracted file to the Control Panel. Let's try it. Now you can use the new font. Type the name of the font and there. Let's try it again. Now you can enjoy your new downloaded font.